Electricity poles and lines lay toppled on the road after Hurricane Maria hit the east of the island, credited AP photo. Carlos Tuesday. Puerto Rico's 3.5 million people have been warned they could be without electricity for months after the island was battered by Hurricane Maria. President Donald Trump said Puerto Rico, a U.S. territory, had been absolutely obliterated and was in very tough shape. Mr. Trump declared a major disaster, making federal government funds available, and said he would be visiting soon. He said the recovery would start with great gusto. A man rescues a rooster from his flooded garage in Fajardo. Carmen Yulín Cruz, mayor of the capital San Juan, said the San Juan that we knew yesterday is no longer there. We're looking at 4 to 6 months without electricity. In San Juan, towering eucalyptus trees fell, and residents described spending many hours huddled in stairwells as the storm raged. It blew out windows at hospitals and police stations, destroyed homes, and turned some streets into roaring rivers. Communities across Puerto Rico remained isolated and without communication as uprooted trees blocked roads, and people resorted to rafts and kayaks to get around. Governor Ricardo Rossello also said it may take months to restore power, and he issued a nightly curfew amid widespread warnings of flash floods and landslides. Hurricane Maria batters the Dominican Republic. 0102 There was one death reported so far, a man struck by a piece of flying wood, he said. Rescuers were also searching for a boat that went missing off the island, with 2 adults and 2 children aboard, after it sent a distress signal. Maria was the strongest hurricane to hit the island in more than 80 years. Felix Delgado, mayor of the northern coastal city of Quitano, said months are going to pass before we can recover from this. People walk in a flooded street next to damaged houses in Quitano town, in Guanamatas, Puerto Rico. Credit Hector Retamal. FGD Images. Puerto Rico's electric grid was already crumbling before Maria hit, and an economic crisis had already sparked an exodus of nearly 500,000 Puerto Ricans to the U.S. mainland. Edwin Rosario, 79, a retired government worker, said only us old people are left. A lot of young people have already gone. If we don't unite, we're not going to bounce back. Before hitting Puerto Rico, the storm devastated the island of Dominica, where 15 people were killed, with another 20 still missing. After Puerto Rico, it went on to flood parts of the Dominican Republic, where 1,255 homes were damaged. It was expected to pass near the Turks and Caicos Islands and the southeastern Bahamas on Thursday night and Friday. Maria followed less than 2 weeks after Hurricane Irma wreaked havoc across the Caribbean. Hurricane Maria pummels the Caribbean, in pictures.